I know this one can fit.
Yeah, but what if you take that whole box?
No, this can't even fit. Well, maybe I can put it through the door.
No, it won't.
Yeah,
Yo, check out this Benz. Look at that. Damn. Ooh, you heard it? Damn, I wonder if the camera picked that thing up. That sounds good. I didn't even start my video yet, but I'm gonna start it in a second. I just had to mention that Benz. Had to put it somewhere in the video. What kind of car is that? Audi. Rich. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm actually going to pick up some mods right now. A bunch of mods, not just for my car, but for a bunch of different cars. You know, it's the business I've been telling you guys about. So I'm actually supplying car parts. It's only like mods though, like exterior mods, stuff like that. You know, stuff to make your car look better. So I have some for F30. I have for the new 3 Series. That's the G20s. And it also fits on the new M3s. The G80 M3s. And I also have for Dodge Charger as well. A bunch of stuff though, like I'm trying to get like mods for all cars, not just BMWs. Right now it's mostly BMWs. Like I said, I have for Dodge as well, the Chargers, but I'm trying to expand. You know, I'm trying to get for like a bunch of cars. You know, I'm trying to get mods for all car guys. But right now I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to pick them up somewhere else. I didn't get it to ship to my apartment because I feel like they're going to mess up the shipping and like put it to the wrong door. I don't know, so I just shipped it somewhere else. Now I'm going to pick it up, and hopefully it can fit in my car though. It's 2 huge boxes, so you know, hopefully it fits. And I'll show you guys once I like open them up and everything. I have carbon fiber and glossy black, and it's not overpriced. So the reason I'm doing it is because most places I see that sell parts, it's like way overpriced or it's always out of stock. So I'm just trying to do, you know, like supply for you guys that like want mods and you can't get them for a decent price as well, not like over the top price or nothing like that. So if you guys want it, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen. And you can also leave a comment. I'll just reply to you and we can start it out from there. But yeah, I'm just going to pick them up right now, so I'll get back to you guys once I'm there. All right, guys, look how huge these boxes are. I don't think it's even going to fit in my car because I saw photos of it, but it looked way smaller. But that's huge. But look at the Challenger, though. It's my uncle's car. It's a RT. I think it's like 2019, yeah. But this is huge because I'm expecting 2 shipments. So one of them should have the front lip diffusers and the trunk lips, and that's 1 shipment. And the other one should have the M Sport bumpers, but they both came today. I don't know if the same person shipped it, but I don't think, because I didn't order it from the same supplier. But that's a lot. Like the bumpers, they have to be in this one. I'm hoping the bumpers are there though, because I'm going to put one on my car, the front and the rear bumper. I'm going to put that on my car, so I want to get it paint matched. Then I'm going to put it on so I can finally have the M Sport bumpers. But I'm hoping it's in there. It has to be. No way this is just front lip and all that. It has to be the bumpers in there. So I'm going to open it up right now. And I don't think it's going to be able to fit in my car though. Like this one might, right?
That one will fit in the back seat.
Yeah, this one will fit.
Won't go in the range. Like if you put the seats down.
Yeah, I'll probably have to borrow the range to put this.
Yeah.
But I wonder if I put my back seat down, like,
No, because that
will
one
it
would
fit
fit in
through
your
the trunk?
trunk.
You don't think?
No.
Damn.
You have
I might have.
slot. We already tried to use it before.
Ah.
You have to use the range for both.
Cause
One in the range.
look at my car compared to the side. This is as big as my car. Ain't no way. Look at my, nah, ain't no way it's gonna fit. Look how dirty my car is though.
Because the slot in the trunk is too small for even like one of those.
Yeah. So this one for sure, because this one is but this one I know this one is the all the front lips and stuff like that, because this is a part of the G20 front lips. I know that for sure. And then there's another box under this one, so I know they're all in that box. But this one has to be the bumpers. I'm hoping it is, because no way this is just all front lip and stuff. No way. I'm hoping this is the bumpers, because I don't know. If it's not the bumpers, I don't know when the bumpers are going to come in. It should be in this month though, for sure. But I'm hoping it's here now, because then I can get a paint match like probably next week or something. Yeah, I just opened this thing. It's not even the bumpers. So I don't even know when the bumpers are going to come in though.
Tomorrow.
No, that wasn't the bumper. That was this person that called me today.
Oh.
I guess they just shipped it earlier, because I got a call this morning. They're saying, yo, if it's good to ship these tomorrow. I'm like, yeah. But I'm guessing they just shipped it today. I don't know why, but not complaining. So this is all like diffusers. It's a bunch of stuff. So like I said, if you guys want any, just hit me up. I'll put it up on screen, like all the parts that I have. But that's so much. I didn't think it's that much. Like I knew they were big, but I thought it's gonna be a smaller box. Yeah, I thought it was bumpers in here. So imagine the box for the bumpers if this is like this. No wonder shipping was so.
And there's still more in that.
Yeah.
Those diffusers.
Yeah, that's not bumpers for sure. That's way too small to be a bumper. I thought this would be the bumpers, but nope. So good luck with me fitting these in my car. I might just take them out of the box and put them in the car.
Because where are we going to store them in the house? They're just going to get wrecked.
Nah, I'll find a spot.
What happens if we put that box in your car and...
I don't know. I'm gonna figure something
Not
out.
even that box won't even fit.
Yeah. No, this one will fit. I think I might have to take them out of the boxes and then
Bring the box? Where?
you can break the box down.
And
I don't
build
know.
it back
I'm
up?
not trying to go with the range and come back all the way here and go. Nah. I don't know. I'm gonna try to fit them in the car. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna get them to fit. I'll show you guys how I do it.
Okay, he's trying to put all of these in his car. I'm gonna film him.
You might have to stand there though. See, this one will fit. Look. Just look at it. See?
Yeah, but
It's just a
not
big
this one. It's too big.
You think?
This one will fit. We'll see.
I know this one can fit.
Yeah, but what if you take that whole box?
No, this can't even fit. Well, maybe I can put it through the door. If I put it, yeah, this one will fit through the door.
No, it won't.
Yeah, look.
Will it?
See?
Okay, guys, he got it.
That one fits?
Yeah. Okay, so now we have to take that one out.
Yeah, I might just take all
Take
the
those
parts.
out and put them in the back of the trunk.
Yeah, because if I take them all out like that, it will fit.
Yeah.
No, but wait. No, actually, because it's long.
Because look at it.
Like a front lip is long, it's not going to fit.
Yeah, if
from
we
here
put
to
it
here.
in from there, not there.
Well, better not break anything, so I think I can get them to fit.
Well,
Yeah,
just open it.
Huh? Yeah, this is so much. I could swear this was the bumper. But the bumper, I knew the bumper shouldn't have been in by now because I
We
ordered
need
the
to drag
bumpers.
it closer so we don't have to walk, like, you don't have to walk.
I ordered the bumpers after these ones, so I didn't think the bumpers were in. But the size of the box, I could have sworn it was bumpers.
Me filming this and you probably won't even put it in.
I'm gonna put it in.
Every clip I film, guys, he doesn't put it in for you. He thinks I'm horrible at vlogging.
Down. How's that gonna fit? Well, let's get started.
Well, no, it's not actually this long. It's just a bunch of them in there. That's why.
Oh, it is long.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm standing here.
This is the trunk clip for the G20s, the new 3 Series. I'm pretty sure. Look,
Yeah,
because this
it's-
is wide as your trunk.
Shit.
No.
It won't fit.
Yeah, I gotta push up that box some more. That's in there.
How are you gonna... Oh, put up the seats. Put up the seat. Like, push the seats in.
Yeah, I can make
Yeah.
it fit. I can make it fit. Don't worry.
I don't know.
I don't know where I'm
Managed to get it to fit in there to there, that box.
I'm more curious where I'm gonna store them in the house.
We're gonna show you what it looks like after.
Alright guys, look at it. Told you I'd make it fit. It all fit. But some of them I had to put up top here, so it's gonna be overhead in the passenger seat. But you know, if it fits, it fits. I still got 2 more, so I'm just gonna put those on top as well. You drive with so many of these, and if you're driving, you're gonna break them. Okay, so I managed to fit this box though in the back, so
Here, put that one.
should be good. I'm just gonna put these up top, and then that's it. Look at the box, so I'm surprised I managed to make them
You could
fit
fit
though.
in there, lie in it.
Yeah, I can make it a bed. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this one in. Then when I get home, I'm just gonna, I have to take all of them out, put it in the apartment, and then I gotta label them, put them together, because they're all like separate pieces. Because the front lips for the G20s is 3 pieces that you screw on together. So I have to like sort all of them, carbon fiber, glossy black. But I'm gonna get it all done tonight. So yeah, if you guys want, like, you see how much I got. Like, it's a lot. Wait, let me see them. Let me see how you fit them first. It's
I think that's over your head a bit. A little bit. It's okay though.
It's fine. Imagine we get pulled over. What do we tell the cop? Look at that chop. It looks so mean though. The lights are like yellow. It's crazy nice. Let me try to shut it, because I don't know if that's, I don't think it's in the way.
Okay, shut over those.
There. I'm freezing. It's like -1 degrees outside Celsius. It's freezing. But yeah, so once I get home, I'm gonna sort all of them and do all of that. So if you guys want any, like, I'm gonna put everything up on screen like I said. I'll show you guys once it's like all on the ground in the apartment, like everything out of the box. I'm gonna show you guys that too. But if you guys want any, just hit me up. You know, my Instagram is gonna be in the description. I'll put it up on screen as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get these done tonight. Alright guys, so I finally got here. I got everything inside and look how much that is. Like, it literally takes up the whole space. Okay, so I just opened this box and due to how much I bought, I didn't even remember I have these. So it's the front grille for the new 3 Series. Oh, tape is included too, so if you guys ever buy them, you know, tape is included with each purchase. You know, whichever one requires tape, you're gonna get the tape with it. Yeah, and that's just somewhere as well.
Oh, it's a carbon fiber.
Yeah, I have carbon and glossy
and
black.
black.
Just a bunch of screws. You know, you get the screws, you get everything you need with it. And the tape, all of that. This is just some more like of the front lips and all that. But yeah, it's so much. But I literally ended the video because I thought that was everything that I remembered. Oh, I have these as well. But yeah, hit me up, guys. Hit me up.